Hey there, welcome to my gig. Are you looking for an exciting and immersive AI avatar talking videos? Look no further. I specialize in creating AI spokesperson videos for commercials, ads, promos, and more.
I turn your scripts into engaging and captivating videos.
All I need is your script, and I'll handle the rest, using the power of AI to produce videos that will help you achieve your goals.
Let's work together to turn your ideas into powerful visuals that leave a lasting impression.
Here's what you can expect when you choose me. High-quality AI avatar speaking videos that will captivate your audience.
Expert lip syncing to match according to speech, bringing the characters to life.
Timely and professional communication throughout the project.
Quick turnaround times, all while upholding the highest standards of quality.
We have 300+ AI avatars tailored for various video making needs. Also, you can bring your photos to life with Talking Photo. Your custom AI avatar will be created by training the algorithm on real footage. You can put custom background or remove background. Here you can turn text into 460+ AI voiceovers in 90+ languages. So, let's turn your ideas into mesmerizing visuals.